Nestled amidst breathtaking red rock landscapes and surrounded by stunning national parks, Moab is a paradise for outdoor enthusiasts and nature lovers. From world-famous arches and canyons to thrill hiking and biking trails, there's no shortage of adventures to embark on. So, immerse yourself in the rich history, marvel at the awe-inspiring geological formations, and indulge in the unique charm of this vibrant desert town. Whether you're seeking adrenaline-pumping activities or a serene retreat in nature, Moab has it all. Get ready to discover the wonders of Moab, Utah, and create memories that will last a lifetime. In this video, we check out the best things to do in Moab, Utah. Welcome to Hotels and Cities, the channel that focuses on great places to visit and worthwhile travel destinations for you and your loved ones. Before we jump into our list, don't forget to click that subscribe button and that bell icon to always be updated on all things travel. Now let's get into it. First up, Corona Arch is first on our list. The Corona Arch, formerly known as Little Rainbow Bridge, is a Navajo sandstone formation that can be found near Moab, Utah, just outside of Arches National Park. The Corona Arch Trail, a 1.5-mile hiking route, can be used to get there. It is one of Utah's most impressive arches and one of the best climbs nearby. The semi-freestanding arch is 140 feet wide and 105 feet tall. Previously, climbing to the top and swinging from it were permitted, but since 2015, all such activities have been outlawed. Corona Arch is a breathtaking sight that exemplifies the amazing beauty that nature is capable of. Second place on our list goes to Castle Creek Winery. Located 14 miles up the Colorado River from Moab City, this winery has won numerous awards. The vineyard is a component of the historic operating ranch known as Red Cliffs Adventure Lodge, which is situated at the base of the spectacular Red Rock Cliffs and overlooks the river's breathtaking whitewater rapids. This is a memorable experience for any wine enthusiast. Dead Horse Point State Park is the third place on our list. This state park offers a breathtaking view of Canyonlands National Park and the Colorado River. Despite being a very modest state park, Dead Horse Point receives more than 500,000 visitors annually. It has numerous picnic spaces, camping areas, a useful and educational visitor center, and numerous overlooks scattered around the park. The park also offers fantastic paths for mountain biking and hiking. It makes sense to have high expectations given that Dead Horse Point's views are among the most photographed in Utah, and they won't be unmet. The Moab Giant Dinosaur Park, which is situated in the southern section of the Dinosaur Diamond Prehistoric Highway, comes in at number 4. This museum specializes in the epic history of dinosaurs and houses the Tracks Museum, which is full of engaging exhibits, touchscreens, games, and interactive learning opportunities. The museum also provides guided and self-directed tours, showing a variety of dinosaur footprint fossils. Visitors can see more than 100 life-size dinosaurs along the outdoor route while learning about them through cutting-edge technology. We have Canyonlands National Park at number 5. This national park, which covers more than 330,000 acres, protects a vibrant terrain that the Colorado River, the Green River, and their tributaries eroded into various canyons, mesas, and buttes over many years. The park is separated into 4 distinct areas, and because of its enormous size and beauty, a comprehensive exploration would take many days. Next up, we have Arches National Park at number 6. This park, next to the Colorado River, contains more than 2,000 naturally occurring sandstone arches, including the well-known Delicate Arch. The park boasts the highest density of natural arches in the entire globe, as well as a range of unusual geological elements and formations. Every visitor will find something breathtaking at Arches National Park, which has a variety of hiking paths and activities. The Moab Museum of Film and Western Heritage comes in at number 7. This museum is part of the Red Cliffs Ranch, which has served as both a filming site and a working ranch since the late 1800s and is situated inside the Red Cliffs Lodge. The museum displays memorabilia and information about the filming of westerns, offering an intriguing look into the ranch's lengthy history. At number 8, we can visit Newspaper Rock to witness petroglyphs. One of the biggest known collections of petroglyphs is carved into a 200 square foot rock panel at Newspaper Rock State Historic Monument. Native American Indians etched these messages, which have been preserved for more than 2,000 years and represents a rich history of their stories. Biking the Slickrock Trail is at number 9. Popular with mountain bikers, this 10.5-mile track winds through a landscape of petrified sand dunes and degraded remnants of ancient seabeds. The Slickrock Trail is regarded as one of the more challenging rides in the Moab region, both technically and physically. It is acknowledged on a global scale as the most well-liked cycling trail in the world, attracting more than 100,000 people each year. Additionally, there is a beginner-friendly 2.3-mile loop next to the main path. Bartlett Wash hiking is ranked 10th. The Bartlett Wash Trail is a 13.3-mile mountain bike loop located 18 miles north of Moab. If you are less interested in mountain biking or prefer a slower pace, trail can also be hiked, allowing you to take in the lovely wildflowers and breathtaking views. Colorado River Rafting is our 11th activity. Nearly 1,500 miles of this river run from northern Colorado through Utah, Arizona, California, and across the border into Mexico. River rafting is very popular in Moab because of the stunning views of the canyons and river bends. These breathtaking locals have served as the backdrop for many Hollywood films. Number 12 on our list is taking a Jeep trip. Numerous businesses provide inexpensive excursions that combine desert off-roading with city driving. Jeep excursions offer a distinctive viewpoint and a chance to discover undiscovered jewels in the area. At number 13 is exploring Castle Valley. The castle-like rock formations in this valley, which lies north of Moab, gave it its name. In contrast to the hectic metropolis, it offers beautiful surroundings and a more tranquil setting. Even while traveling through Castle Valley, there are opportunities to pause, investigate, and take wonderful pictures. Taking a jet boat excursion on the Colorado River comes in at number 14, which is definitely not last. Stunning vistas of Canyonlands National Park, adjacent parks, and more may be enjoyed on this exhilarating adventure. The fully guided trips are led by knowledgeable guides who ensure that each one is unforgettable. A visit to Moab, Utah promises an unforgettable experience filled with stunning landscapes, thrilling outdoor activities, and rich historical attractions. From the iconic national parks of Arches and Canyonlands to the fascinating museums, wineries, and natural wonders, Moab offers something for every traveler, so pack your bags, embrace the adventure, and prepare to be captivated by the natural beauty and boundless opportunities that await you in Moab, Utah. Before we end today's video, make sure you scroll down the description below to check out fantastic deals and discounts on travel and accommodations for your next getaway, as well as essential travel gadgets that you shouldn't be without. That's it for today's video. If you found this video useful, then click that like button and share this with your fellow travel buddies. Also, if you want to be always updated whenever we have a new video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and bell icon to always be in the loop whenever we have new content. Thanks for watching, and safe travels.